So we start out today's video with this long to short transformation. So she ended up getting this gorgeous bob haircuts. Such a beautiful hair change. I love how full and thick this bob is. Beautiful face framing bangs. Just stunning transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Here we have a blonde pixie cut style. This features the stylist Philip Wolf. I absolutely adore his work. He is so talented. And then now that the hair is dry, you can definitely see her hair is more on like the platinum side. Very popular hair color trend. And he did a nice sleek and polished pixie for this look. Absolutely stunning. Looks like something you'd see from a magazine. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another makeover. Looks like her hair has this really pretty copper tone. Oh, so she ended up getting like the shaggy cut. So pretty. I think what really makes this cut is definitely the color. And then we see someone go from a dull, boring hair to this breathtaking platinum bob. Absolutely love this cut and color combination. I think the look paired with the makeup, the outfit, everything, she just looks so stunning. Next up, we see someone with some grown out color. Looks like she got a color refresh with the platinum. Beautiful. I am absolutely loving this platinum hair trend. I know that some people think that this look has actually gone away, but it is definitely still very much so in circulation. Then we have someone rocking out like a shaggy mullet style. She cuts off her hair. And ends up getting a shorter mullet variation. Wow. Loving this one. Features some baby bangs in the front. Very rocker chic vibes. And then we see someone with natural hair. Oh, gorgeous ombre blonde, face framing highlights. Beautifully done. Next up, it looks like we have another pixie cut here. She has a salt and pepper hair color. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. I love the color. I love the cut. Just everything about this look is just stunning. And then we have someone else going icy blonde, aka platinum. So we had like what, 3 or 4 platinum hairstyles in today's video. So that definitely goes to show you that this hair color is going nowhere anytime soon. Oh, I cannot wait to see how this is gonna look. And this is her first time ever dyeing her hair. Wow, she looks absolutely incredible. Such a gorgeous hair change. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.